When people think about high-income careers, they imagine doctors, lawyers, or tech CEOs. They picture expensive degrees, years of education, or some secret startup idea. But what if I told you there's a physical, hands-on job that doesn't require a college degree and can earn you over $500,000 a year? And no, this isn't a scam or some get-rich-quick scheme. This is real, profitable, demand-driven work. It's called Hotshot trucking. Hotshot trucking is the delivery of time-sensitive freight using a pickup truck and a flatbed trailer. Unlike big semi-truck operations, hotshot truckers move smaller, urgent loads, often for oil fields, construction sites, or industrial suppliers. What makes this business powerful is its urgency. Companies are willing to pay top dollar to get their materials delivered fast, and that's where hotshot truckers come in. Let's talk numbers. Real numbers. Many hotshot truckers in the U.S. are consistently earning between $5,000 to $15,000 per week, depending on routes, loads, and how aggressively they run. Solo operators can net around $200,000 to $300,000 per year. Those who scale their business with 2 or more trucks can break through the $500,000 mark, and some even reach $750,000 or more. All from a physical business most people have never heard of. And here's the kicker. In many cases, you don't even need a commercial driver's license to get started. The startup costs are significantly lower than opening a franchise or retail business, and the demand is real. To get started in hotshot trucking, you'll need a reliable dually pickup truck, like a Ram 3500 or Ford F-350, plus a gooseneck, flatbed trailer, DOT authority, insurance, and access to load boards. You'll also need basic business skills, the willingness to learn logistics, and a strong work ethic. Because this isn't passive income, it's real work, but it pays. The U.S. supply chain is constantly under pressure. Companies are desperate for fast, flexible shipping solutions. That's why hotshot trucking works, and why it's growing. You're not just a driver, you're a high-speed problem solver, and you get paid like one. If you don't want a traditional 9-to-5, if you're tired of being stuck in a job that goes nowhere, if you're ready to work hard and build something of your own, hotshot trucking might be the best decision you ever make. It's not easy. It's not for everyone. But for the right person, it can change everything. And that's why I created this channel, Prosperity Secrets, to bring you real opportunities like this. Not theory, not hype, just truth. If you want to learn how to get started, how to find high-paying loads, how to avoid beginner mistakes, and how to scale into a 6-figure or even 7-figure operation, subscribe now. Like this video. Turn on notifications, because your new life might start right here, right now. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect timing. You just need action and the right information. Let's build your prosperity, 1 mile at a time.